Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the random 3D letter text animations in CapCut PC. So in here, you can just open your project and then add the text that you want like this. I suggest you use a font with a bold red letter like this and then add or set the spacing of the character into 3, so there's space on each letter. And in here you can adjust the size, and after this you can just copy and paste the tags. So there are two like this. Now click on the first layer of the text and then choose the color that you want. I'm going to go with yellow, for example. Now drag it a bit to the left, so you'll create these 3D effects on the text. And after that, you can just select the text, right click, and then create a compound clip. And after this, you can go to the video masking, choose the rectangle one, and adjust the size of the masking to fit into a letter like this. Okay, now since there are 4 letters on my text, so I'm going to just copy and paste it 3 times. So it depends on how much letter that you have. You can copy it like this. Now click on the second layer and go to the video masking again, and now move the masking to the second letter, and also the third one and the fourth one. Just like this. Okay, so I've already done the masking for all of the tags. Next, you can click on each letter and add 2 keyframes on each letter here under the video basic transform. You can add a keyframe at the beginning and also add a 1 second mark like this. Repeat the steps for all of the letter. Now, after you add all of the keyframes of the text, you can just click on the second keyframes in here. Still on the video basic here, you can rotate the text to the positions that you want. Okay, you can repeat the steps for each letter. Like this. Now, after you set the second keyframe, you need to go to the first keyframes in here, and then I'm going to lock the other text layer first. So on the first keyframe, you can just move the text to the positions that you want. You can do this for all of the text like this. Just repeat the steps for all layer. Sorry. Okay, so I've already moved all of the text, all of the letter and the first keyframe, and this will be the result for the 3D random letter text animations. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.